There are just a few hours to go before the first World Cup semi-final at 8 p.m. Paris time. France will go up against Belgium. This 20 years after Les Bleus became world champions. Both teams were among the pre-tournament favourites. France have 19-year-old boy wonder Kylian Mbappé. He scored twice against Argentina. Belgium have a so-called golden generation of players. Let's go now to Belgium and speak to our correspondent in Brussels, Dave Keating. Dave, France and Belgium are, of course, neighbours. They have what you might call a friendly rivalry. What's the press over there saying then about this match?
Well, I don't think it can be overstated just how important this match is here in Belgium. You can see that reflected in the front pages of the paper. Tonight's match is dominating every single front page, whether it's the Flemish press or the French-speaking press. You can see that exhibited here in Le Soir. That is the main Francophone Belgian paper here. It's not only taking up the full front page, but also the back page. You've got a rather unflattering depiction of a French rooster being attacked by the Red Devils. That's, of course, the Belgian team's mascot. And within those Red Devils is Philippe, the king of the Belgians. And now the editorial on the front page of Le Soir really sums up the media coverage here, which is that this is so much more than a football match. This is something that is representing a change, a real degree of enthusiasm for Belgians. The big focus of Belgian media is how united the team has been. This has been a problem that has plagued the Belgian team in the past, that they weren't playing as a cohesive unit. But this year they really are. And of course, Belgium is a country that doesn't always play as a cohesive unit. You have tensions between the Dutch-speaking community, the French-speaking community, and the immigrant community. But people from all three of those communities coming together on this team, playing as one united, cohesive unit, and really achieving success. And this editorial in Le Soir and a lot of the other Belgian media coverage says, look, if we can come together for football and achieve this great success, think about what we could accomplish if we come together as a country. So it's a real moment of pride here in Belgium. You know, this isn't a very nationalistic country. It's not often that you see people out on the streets waving Belgian flags, but football is one of the things that can bring people together. So it's actually been quite incredible to see, and I expect we're going to see a big turnout tonight out on the streets to watch the game, even if rain is predicted for tonight. I think people will be out on the streets, rain or shine.
Well, I, for one, cannot wait. Thank you very much indeed, Dave. Dave Keating in Brussels.